Hi, we'll start mensuration chapter. First exercise, first sum. See, this is the question here. A square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? He is telling a square and a rectangular field. This is a square field and this is a rectangular field. Measurements are given in the figure. See, they have given the measurements. This is the measurement of A, 60 meters, and B is 80 meters. Have the same perimeter. They both have the same perimeter. Have the same. Which field has a larger area? So he's asking us to find the perimeter, and in this, amongst these two, which is larger area. So we have to find the perimeter and area of the rectangle and square. So what is the formula here? What is the formula of first we'll find perimeter and then we'll find the area. So what is the formula of perimeter of a square and rectangle? So first we'll take perimeter of a square is equal to, now square, perimeter of a rectangle. Now we'll write a perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, done. Now what is the formula of perimeter of a square? The formula here is, perimeter of a square formula is 4 into sides. And what's the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Length L plus B, length plus breadth. So here in the question, what is 4 here? 4. In the question, the side is given here is 60 meters, right? So we'll write here 60. 4 into 60 is how much? 240. And perimeter of a rectangle, 2 here. What is length given here? Length is 80 meters. Breadth you don't know. You don't know the breadth, no? So length is equals to 80 plus breadth you don't know. So you'll write here B. Now 2 into 80. We'll solve this bracket. See, 2 into 80 is how much? 2 into 80 is 160 plus 2 into B is 2B. See, we multiply 2 into 80 and 2 into B. That is 2 into 80 is 160. 2 into B is 2B. Now 160 plus 2B is equals to, what did you get here? 240. Now we'll write here 240. 240. Now we'll take the number and alphabet out. 2B is equals to 240. If this plus 160 comes here, it will become minus 160. So if you minus 240 minus 160 is how much here? 2B will write here. 240 minus 160 is how much? 80. Now we'll take out the B out. B is equals to 80. We'll copy this down. 80 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8 and 0. So here what did you get? Breadth is equals to 40, right? See, now we found perimeter. Now we'll find area. See, he's asked you perimeter and area also. You found perimeter. Now shall we find the area? We found the perimeter. You got the breadth is equals to 40. You got. Now let's find area. Area of a square and area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Now what is the formula to find the area of a square? The formula is side the whole square. Now what's the formula to find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Side square. What is the side given of the square? 60. No, we'll write here 60. The whole square. So 60, the whole square is what? 60 into 60 is equals to 3600 meter square. Now here, what is the length given in the length of a rectangle given in the question? Length is 80 meters. So we'll, instead of in length place, we'll write here 80 into breadth. Breadth, just now what we found? 40. So we'll write here 40. 80 into 40 is how much? 3200 meter square. What is he asking? See, he has the perimeter we found, area also we found. Now he's asking which fielder has a larger area. See here, you got here 3600 meter square, here you got 3200 meter square. He's asking you which has a larger area, so you will tell which is larger here. 3200 is larger, 3600 obviously 3600, no? So we'll write here 3600 meter square is larger area of a square. Than the rectangle area. That's all. Here which is longer? 3600 is larger, no? So what is it? Square is larger than rectangle, so 3600 meter square is larger area of a square. Square is larger than the rectangle area. That's all. So